If you're a non-coder and you'd like to code a flowchart using ChatGPT, I'm actually going to show you a fantastic way of doing so. So stick around and let's check it out. So there's two tools you are going to need for this process. Of course, the first one is ChatGPT and the second one is Overleaf. Now, Overleaf allows you to convert code. So what we're going to do here is in ChatGPT, we're going to start a new chat and we're going to type in here, give me a LaTeX coding of a flowchart explaining, and you can put in the details of what you want your flowchart to be about. I want to know how YouTube ads are recommended on my videos. So what we're going to do is hit enter and give it a few seconds to get started. Now, once this is done, we're going to take this code and we are going to go ahead and copy it over into Overleaf. Now, you need to, of course, create an account with Overleaf, and it is free. All you need is an email address and a password. So you'll see now that this chat has been completed. We're going to go over and copy that code. Now, this is literally very simple. On the left-hand side, we're going to hit new project and we're going to use blank project. Here we can give it a name. So we're going to just say flowchart 2 and we're going to hit create. Now, from this page, you will see on the left-hand side, you'll have an area where you can add your code. What we're going to do is we are going to delete whatever is currently in this space. Right? So the code that we just copied, we're going to paste it here. And from here on the right hand side, you'll see at the top it says recompile. We're going to click that. And within a few seconds, you will have your flowchart on the right hand side. We can hold in control and use our mouse wheel just to zoom in there. And you can see, first of all, the process from the beginning gathers user data, analyzes video content, and then there's the personalized ads available. It has two options. Yes, show personalized ad. No, show generic ad, and end. This is fantastic. It's really simple and straightforward. And you can go and type in, make this chart more complex or make it more detailed. And you can play around with the type of code you want to generate. And again, erase what's currently in here and then click on recompile. You'll have a flowchart. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time, people. Peace out.